What up, y'all? I'm back with another YouTube video. Today's vlog is going to be at the River Days. So I'm going to show y'all what's going on. Look at him. Look, that man will move. He killing. Look at that. He was just killing that jet ski. I want to do that so bad, y'all.
Just take it in. Hey, Courtney, you see what they did with the sand over here, right?
Oh, look what they did with the sand they made down Motown Museum. But I want him to cut it up again. Yeah, so. Oh, look. Oh, he fell. He fell in the water.
Yeah, right. You got it on camera?
Yeah. Yeah, he was doing flips on the he was doing flips on the jet ski. Look.
I was just about to say you should have done it. I don't care if I have one.
I want him to do another back. I want him to do another flip. Oh! He went under.
Really? I told you I don't like your wide angle photo taking ass.
How do you get on one of those? You got to pay for it?
They don't let nobody get on them.
I mean, if I
They just doing the demonstrations. Cause they got them down. I believe they got. Cause I know they got the jet skis at Belle Isle. I think they got all that at Belle Isle.
Oh, look, the hair legs. She was just did a flip in the water. Well, he just did a flip in the water.
no, but that's still scary. I ain't got time to put myself through that type of stretch.
Y'all, we are downtown Detroit.
Oh, so that's powering it through here in the front.
We are downtown Detroit, guys.
That's what I had to do on.
Isn't that Canada over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so on my sound slow. That's Canada over there.
Shaking and shit. They go to Ambassador Bridge to the right of you.
And then Ambassador Bridge to the right of me right there, y'all.
Canada, clean as fuck.
But I hear, but a lot of people say from over there, Detroit look pretty as hell.
Hi, he's waving. Woo.
I mean, but they look over here and see this.
I think they had their festival last weekend.
Whoa! Canada.
What festival that is?
Same thing.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, this one is sponsored by GM in Windsor, Ontario.
All the information you guys are hearing is coming from my sis.
I'm gonna buy some trucks because
I'm with you now. I need some food.
Yeah, let's go. All right, so you guys got a brief of that. So they're about to go find the food truck because we're hungry. But I'm had the camera facing this way. Oh yeah, my tattoos on my back. Yeah. I'm having my camera facing this way because I don't know if my brothers and sisters want to be on camera just yet, so I'm having facing this way.
they could have went and got their face painted.
They was asleep. So my mom was like, just keep them here.
Houses and all that. It's the whole carnival, Courtney.
They was sleeping. But,
And they get in free.
oh yeah, the kids, yeah. I seen it. So, this is type of carnival. Oh, this the food truck right here? Are these the food trucks right here? Oh yeah, go ahead, Corey.
I gotta think on it.
Ah. So, we got the bounce house.
You see this shit, right?
All the food trucks. Right here. I'm gonna hit you guys back up once we pick the food truck because I gotta call my brother to meet up with him to see where he's at. So I'll be back.